Actually, all of them are easy for you all. You all already went through this. So let me just run this program real quick here. But we need to at least go through them. If run in terminal. So we have letter A, and then we simply display result is vowel false because we're checking lowercase, right? Only. We'll get into uppercase, lowercase. Let me do lowercase. So 1, right? So 1 is true. But if we want to display something to the user, then we can create an if statement, right? So if result equals true, then we can display something. So let me go here. We have cout, and then we can say is a vowel \n, and then maybe we can also show the letter, right, which is ch. Put a space here. So now this statement will execute only if the result is true, meaning we encounter a vowel. So let's run this again. And we'll go with A, and A is a vowel. But we will not get any display if we do not encounter a vowel. We're just going to stick to lowercase, okay? So if we type B, then we just display 0, which is false in C++ or in any programming language. But we don't display anything. So let me go here, check this in, introduce if statement, commit and save it. This piece here, result, if we go to is vowel, is true or false. How do we know that? Because this is a Boolean expression. So if we are dealing with true or false, then we don't have to include this piece here equals true, right? We don't have to do that because, I mean, result is already true or false. So we can just say if result, and we'll still get the same output. So we go here, run in terminal, and we go with letter A. It's a vowel, right? Why? Because if it's a vowel, this is true. And if it's not a vowel, this is false. So in essence, we're saying if true or if false. And if true, this executes. If false, it jumps out to this statement. It will not execute that piece. We'll demonstrate a vowel here. So we run. And B. And notice we didn't see the output is a vowel. So maybe the question is, so when do we use this format, right? So if you're going to be using, let me jump back over here, this code a lot throughout your program, then it's better to put it in a function. And we can assume that most code will always be reused, right? So that's why we stick with functions here. And it's not going to hurt if we do this, right? Because if you go back here, is vowel is more readable to us as humans. I mean, even though once you get experience, you'll know what they're doing here. You'll be like A, E, I, O, U. Oh, they're checking if it's a vowel. But I mean, if you can save time and just be like, in main is vowel, you're like, oh, this function checks if something's a vowel. So then as our code base grows, then we don't have to like focus on reading code. We just read the function name and we already know what's going on in the program. Right? So I will also save this as a check-in. So I'll say if condition with a Boolean variable, no comparison required, and I'll commit. Okay. Okay. Any questions here so far? Okay, no questions. So let me go here.